and welcome back to my channel. In case you're wondering, I look totally different today. I was doing some Instagram pictures, added some volumizing hair and some eyelashes, some contacts, and this awesome eye look. So you're welcome to come over and follow me on IG. But right now we're going to get into Lip Monthly. If you don't know what Lip Monthly is, it's a $12.95 subscription for all lip lovers. You get lip products and a cute little unique bag every time. I redid my fingernails. I'm kind of getting a Shrek baby booger kind of vibe. I'm not real sure about it yet. I'm rushing March to get here, so I don't know about that yet. But with Lip Monthly, you get 4 to 5 full-size products, including lip gloss, lipstick, lip balms, lip stains, lip pencils, lip crayons, and so forth. And they vary since they feature different products. Well, they vary because they feature different brands. And for your first bag, if you use code 50 off, you get 50% off for your first bag. Anyway, let's get into this. This is the card for this month. Lipstick is my Valentine. On the back, it tells you, welcome to the 2019 February 2019 bag. There's a code on there. So if you use Feb 20, right now you get 20% off, and that's good until March 31st. Okay, let's get into this and see what's up. The first thing I'm pulling out is a lip liner by IBY Beauty. And it's in the color Blush. And that is what that looks like. There's the color. And there's the IBY Beauty. It is a pencil liner, so you can sharpen it. It's a very pretty color. That didn't do a whole lot. I think I'm wearing that same color in a different lipstick. Either way, let's go on. The next thing I'm pulling out is Jingai. It's a tinted balm. Crimson Tide, vanilla peppermint. Not real big on vanilla. I don't care for the smell. I was going to try these on, but I don't think I'm going to because the lipstick I have on is never going to come off. So I'm just going to swatch them on my hand. This is what that lip balm looks like. And again, I don't know about these fingernails. And right there is that tinted lip balm. That will be going to my daughter. Like I said, I don't do vanilla. But I'm not mad that we got it. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a lipstick, and it's in the color Sassy. If you can hear my dogs, as usual, I am a dog mom, so please excuse it. Sounds like somebody has a bone. And there's that lipstick. It's a nice spring color. And the last thing in here is from Bang Beauty. We've been getting a lot of items from Bang Beauty, which the last one I got was in my, I want to say Yes Oh Yes bag. And that was a wild color. And this one does not want to come out. Okay, we got it. This is a liquid lipstick. And it is in the color Hot Chocolate. I am all thumbs today. Oh, it's a very dark color. That is what that looks like. Okay, and that concludes what I got in my bag for February 2019. This is only my second time getting this subscription. I like it. I thought it was a great way to start getting more lip products. I mean, every now and then we get one or two in a subscription box, but I wanted more than I was receiving, so I got this subscription. Anyway, with this bag, you get your tracking information around the 10th or the 15th of the month. And again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Perhaps take the time to subscribe, hit that little bell. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.